Good morning students and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior P. Children, this video is for class 6 and today we'll read lesson 6, Who I Am. Actually, this is not a story. This lesson speaks about diversity. It tells that everyone has something special in him or her. Everyone is unique in their own way. There are 6 different people who have shared their own opinion in this lesson. Clear, students? First is Radha. Radha shared her likings and daring act. She said that her choicest things was to climb trees. Climbing tree gave her a feeling that she was able to rule the whole world, though her mother often advised her not to do this as it was not good for girls. But one afternoon when Radha was on a mango tree and eating raw mangoes, her mother also climbed along with her and both sat and enjoyed raw mangoes. Clear? Next is Nasir. Nasir shared his feeling and wish to be a seed collector. What he wanted to be? A seed collector. His family owned cotton field in village. His father spent a lot of money on buying seeds to grow new plants every year. He wanted to stop this as his grandfather told him that in their times they used to grow new plants with their own seeds. They did not buy from the market. But this was not applicable in the present time. It was bothering him and he wanted to know the art of collecting seeds and preserving it. You know, children, whenever you keep seeds, it gets spoiled. So there is a way how to preserve seeds. Clear, students? Next is Rohit. Rohit was what? He was interested in traveling. He was fond of traveling. If his pocket allowed him, he would have visited the whole world. This was his aim. This was his liking. And his love was mountains of Netherlands, New Zealand and Amazon River in South America. Beaches of Lakshadweep and Konark Temple in Orissa was also on his wish of list. His choice also included city of Beijing in China and the Pyramid of Egypt. He loved nature more than man-made things or buildings or monuments. He liked what? Natural beauty. He was very much interested in that. Next is what? Sarvjit. Sarvjit was very much angry person. He was full of anger. As the people around him often showed him distrust even when he spoke the truth. When he told the teacher that he couldn't do his homework because his book was with Ravi, the teacher did not believe and she thought that he was lying. His parents also blamed him for sharing fights with his younger brother, and whenever he told that it was not his fault, the parents did not believe. He was feeling angry for all the distress and was trying to control it by just counting up to 10 because he could not control his anger. Clear? Next is Dolma. Dolma was a girl of high ambition. She was of aspiration, high aspiration also. Her wish was to become the Prime Minister of India. As Prime Minister, she wanted to serve the country and make things better for people. Her belief was that she had leadership qualities because the teacher always told her to do things, to make list and other things. She often solved her friend's problem. Teachers showed their interest in her abilities whenever something new thing was to be done in the school. So she had the quality of leadership also. That is why she wanted to become the Prime Minister of India. Next is Peter. Okay, Peter was very much happy when every month he was happy on second Sunday every month, because on this his whole family used to go to watch a movie, used to go to cinema hall, and so he was always waiting for second Sunday to come, because when he used to go there, he used to enjoy a lot. He went, all the family went in the bus. His grandmother, his parents, brothers, everyone went there. And when the movie was going on, they used to eat peanuts in the middle. He enjoyed eating peanuts every time. And he loved to sit in the hall when it was dark. When the movie was over, they used to stop at a shop to eat ice creams or some snacks. So everyone in the family was in good mood on second Sunday of every month. That is why he was always waiting eagerly for the second Sunday to come, because that Sunday was full of fun with whole family. They enjoyed. Clear, students? That's all. You will read this lesson carefully and then you will solve the exercise of that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.